In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of setting up a Windows 10 bootable USB stick using a tool called Rufus. First, open your browser and go to rufus.ie. Scroll down and download the latest version of Rufus. The small file and should download quickly. Once it's downloaded, open the file and allow it to make changes if prompted. You may also be asked about checking of updates. Feel free to allow it. Next, plug in your USB flash drive. For reliability, brands like Kingston or Patriot work well. In the Rufus window, under Boot selection, choose Disk or ISO image. Please select. Then click Select and choose Download from the drop button. Then we'll allow Rufus to download the ISO file to you. Click Download and select Windows from the list operating system. Choose the latest version. Click Continue, then select the edition. Only one will be available. Choose your preferred language like English, United States, and pick the architecture, usually 64 for most systems. Choose whether to download using your browser or let Rufus do it in the background. Then save the ISO file. After the ISO finishes downloading, set the volume level or Windows 10, leave the system as NTFS and cluster size as many bytes. Keep the quick format option checked for a faster process. Click Start and you'll have the option to customize your installation with a username and some regional settings. You can disable the data collection if preferred. Click OK to proceed. Warning will appear letting you know all the data on the USB will be erased. Confirm and Rufus will begin creating the bootable drive. This process may take several minutes. Once complete, open File Explorer to confirm that the USB contains the Windows 10 setup files. Your bootable USB is now ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and leave any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.